Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to log out Exness account from all logged in devices. The first thing you do is open up your Exness account, put in your passcode if you already set it. It opens up to the home page like this. Next thing you do is at the bottom here you have some options. Tap on the profile icon, then at the top tap on the gear icon to open up the settings. And then you can see secure my account, log out from all devices except this one. Tap on it. Are you sure? Because this will remove access to your Exness account from all other devices. You will stay logged in on this device only. Now it is important, if you think someone else has access to your personal area, that you reset your password after signing out of other devices. So if you're sure of this, then you tap on log out for the prompt, and that's it. That is how to log out Exness account from all devices.